Hey, how's it going? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, we have an interesting unboxing I did already, but this is gonna be the review of this Panasonic, as you can see, wet dry essential performance shaver, sharp yet gentle blade for smooth finish every time. And this is basically, it's a Japanese blade tech. So as you can see, this is the Panasonic trimmer. It's completely different from my Philips, which I have. Actually, let me show you. So let me show you what I have been using so far. So this is, I think it's called Swilleaf something. So this is my blade that I bought a couple of years ago. This is a rotary blade. Pretty okay. Actually, I'm not happy with this brand. I mean, I know it's quite rated on Amazon, but yeah, not very happy with this. And then I bought something more expensive, like I don't know why I'm always thinking about Sharp. This is the Philips Aqua Touch. I had this for 2 years, and again, this is rotary blade, and I paid like £70 for this. I don't remember 2 years ago. And the problem with this is that the first year is fine, but after maybe the first year, after a couple of months, it starts to have problems. The cleaning situation of these machines are not very well thoughtful, I think, in my opinion. Yeah, this is a Philips AquaTouch. I don't remember the model, but I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. And now it's time to change my shaving machine with this Panasonic. This is a different style shaving machine. Basically, this is a foil razor, so it's completely different than rotary blades that we have here. So let's show you what we have in the box, and then we'll do some demonstration as well. I'll show you the wet and the dry as well, and I'll give you my opinion because I kind of have experience with these machines, and I'll give you my opinion if this is worth your cash. Let's do that now. Alright, so let's see now what comes in the box. I did a quick video a few days ago, just the unboxing, but this is going to be the full review. And as you can see here, the picture on the back, wet and dry, 3 blades. Actually, it's not 3 blades, but I'll show you. It's kind of 3 blades, but not really. Let's unbox this now. Apologize about my voice, because my voice sounds a little bit strange because I got like a cold. Let's leave this on the side. We have a very big hefty manual, which this thing is but yeah, this is quite big hefty manual, as you can see here. Man, this is crazy. All your warranty stuff are here. We're gonna leave this on the side. We have 2-pin plug adapter. This is very useful because you can use this directly to in your bathroom if you have a 2-pin. This is pretty nice. And let's see, Panasonic AC adapter made, this is the model, 240. Okay, so this is pretty much made in China. Yeah, pretty okay. We'll leave this on the side. Also, we have a cleaning type brush or something. And the start of the show. We'll leave this on the side. We have the Panasonic Blazer shaving machine. Again, this is a rotary model. It's not sorry, foil, my mistake. First impressions, pretty okay. It's not very heavy, which is pretty good in my opinion. We have a 6 LED lights here. the three lights on the top should indicate the battery status that is full. The three lights on the bottom should indicate when this is charging. As you can see, we have the port here for charging. I'll demonstrate that as well. I'll show you how to charge this. Charging time is 1 hour, and you can use this when it's fully charged up to 50 minutes, which is pretty okay in my opinion. Also, we have this type of blade here that you can use for your let's say if you want to trim your beard, or pretty decent, I think, pretty nice. And yeah, I like it. Cleaning situation is pretty decent in my opinion. That's why I choose to buy this, because it's completely different from the rotary. So the rotary situation is pretty not well taught in my opinion. As you can see, you basically have to remove this individual, as you can see, and the cleaning situation is very bad with these rotary shaving machines. So now I have to put this in let's say in a glass with hot water and some soap to clean this. This is very bad. Actually, I did this a couple of days ago, and that's why they're super clean. As Philip said that you have to change this every 2 years. I hope the companies do something different, because this is not well in my opinion. This is very bad. Instead to clean this, to buy new let's say blade every 2 years, you should buy blade at least every 2 months or 3 months. I'm happy to pay even more, but I'm not gonna deal with this no sense. And after a year you start to have problem with these machines. And the cleaning situation with our Panasonic is completely different. As you can see here, this is the blades, pretty nice, pretty good. So this basically goes under the tap water, as you can see, movable, pretty good. But you can pin here, and as you can see, this removes. You can clean this easy. Much better thoughtful in my opinion. I wish these blades can be removed as well, but they're not. But yeah, this is the cleaning situation in my opinion, which is pretty okay. Now let's see. The grip is very nice. I do like the grip. Cleaning, we mentioned that. This is pretty good. Now let's turn this Panasonic on. I already see the problem here. Here on the top, the three lights doesn't indicate how much battery I have. So I believe this is a faulty example for some reason. So I have to return this, because I watched a couple of videos before I buy this, and we have the 3 indicators on the top that indicates the lights of the battery, how much battery you have, and the 3 lights on the bottom are when this is plugged in for charging. So I assuming that I have a faulty item, so I will return this. And now we're gonna stop with all this nonsense. Let's see this back in action. And now the next clip is gonna be using this Panasonic foil machine. I think it's called foil, and I'm gonna try wet and dry. So yeah, let's see that now, and I'll give you my opinion after this. Okay, before you show the demonstration, let me show the charging situation. So as you can see in my bathroom, I have these plugs here. So as you can see, this is the 2-pin one, goes here. And the charging situation is basically like this. And as you can see, this is fully charged. But the problem that I have is, when this is fully charged, when this is on, we should have a blue indicators here. But we don't, so this is a faulty. And now, let's go back to the demonstration now. Immediately I can see completely different feeling Okay, this is pretty smooth. Yeah, completely different from the other ones that I use. Yeah, pretty smooth. Again, if you're in a quick rush, this is very easy, and actually, yeah, it's pretty smooth. And now let's try the wet option. All right, and now let's try the wet situation. Okay, the cleaning situation is very good in my opinion. What do you do is you need some tap water, pinch this is coming off, and then you need to pinch this as well. This is coming off under the water, and as you can see, for a couple of seconds, and this is clean, pretty nice. And also the machine also needs to go under the water as well. You can switch the machine on, and as we can see now, all the dirt should be off. As we can see, nice and clean. So this is the cleaning situation, pretty good. Okay, so let's talk about the Panasonic. What is the model actually? So if you're planning to buy this is the right model. So this is the Panasonic RT37 wet and dry rechargeable electric 3 blades shaver. I know in the website it says it's a 3 blades, but actually as you can see here, it's not really 3 blades. It's 2 blade machine, but they advertise that this is a 3 blade. It's not actually 3 blade, it's a 2 blade machine. But actually, as you can see, I do like how my face is pretty soft, and most of the time when I shave with this type of shaving machine, this is called rotary type, rotary thing, because they rotates. The Panasonic is foil. If anyone knows the difference, please leave it in the comments down below. What is the difference between foil and rotary? But far as I know, this moves left and right. Still water. The rotary ones basically moves, rotates. Maybe this is the difference, I don't know. When I use the rotary, like Philips or any type 3 blade, when I use the wet shaving situation, I have to do it twice. When I do it once, doesn't basically removes all the hair from my face, so I have to do it twice. But when I use the rotary system Panasonic option, actually I did it once, so I'm quite impressed actually. The only thing that doesn't work is the lights here, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. The cleaning situation is pretty nice. I already show you a clip how to clean this. I purchased this from Amazon. Like I mentioned, this is not a sponsored video. Panasonic doesn't have a clue making this video because it's been like more than nearly 2 years since I had the Philips Aqua Touch, and it's instead to buy new blades, the blades actually is like a 40 pounds. So it doesn't make sense to buy new blades that you can buy a basically brand new machine. What I did is I purchased the Panasonic, which actually this costs 29 pounds in Amazon UK. Pretty decent. So what is my conclusion? I mean, for 29 pounds, I know I used it once, and I'm gonna get a replacement because, like I mentioned, the battery doesn't work, so this needs to be replaced. So my conclusion is that this is very good machine, very easy to use. What I'm happy is that the cleaning situation is very easy. This is very, very bad to clean, and this costs 70-80 pounds, which I don't recommend. I don't recommend. I know Philips is a well-known brand, but for 80 pounds, there's a couple of models. They cost like 100-200 pounds. This is madness. 200 pounds for this? No way. This is the one to buy. I recommend it. Definitely recommend it. It's easy to use, and it's completely different way of using. When you use the rotary and when you use the foil, you'll see massive difference when you use it wet or dry. This is much better, I believe, for me. So let's sum up. Panasonic, I know this has been on the market for more than 8-9 years, if I'm not wrong. This comes in black and blue color, but the blue one is a little bit more expensive. Get the black one for 29 pounds. No brainer. This is a very good machine. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if I cover everything. The only thing is that doesn't come with the oil to clean the blades. But yeah, comes with this brush. But overall, I'm very, very happy with this foil Panasonic blade. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'm very happy to answer any questions. And get yourself a brand new, it's not a rotary, it's a foil machine if you have to replace one of these. As you can see, I have two here. So it's time to replace them with something better, I believe. So there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, subscribe. Why not? It's free. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe. I know it's a quite long video to watch, but if you are looking for something nice and cool and not very expensive but good quality, yeah, this is the one to buy. See you, I don't know why I'm doing this. See you in the next video. Yeah, thank you for watching.